guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Neji Ngobo, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face and you love the content, please do take the time to hit the subscribe button and join my YouTube family. So today we are going through this simple everyday makeup tutorial look that is also suitable for beginners. So if you've got a very minimal makeup collection, if you do not know tips and tricks for makeup and you're trying to get into the game, this one is for you. It's very minimal, it's very simple. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Guys, I am low-key mad at myself because I was supposed to start shooting this video at 2 p.m. The time is actually now 4 p.m. and not only will the sun start going down, but another thing is that buses are driving past. I've got a little drinky drink. Let's get into this makeup tutorial. My brushes need cleaning, so if my brushes are looking raggedy, I sincerely apologize. You will have seen this makeup look on one of my previous videos when I was showing you my new haircut. I'll link it down below. This is the makeup look I had in that video, and people, like when I wore it in real life to work, people loved the look so much. I was like, I should shoot a tutorial on how to do this look, and it's a good natural but like not so much natural look. So yeah, anywho, I'm looking for my I'm trying to move slowly as well because the table is moving back and forth, so I don't want it to move my tripod. I'm looking for my concealer. That's what I'm looking for. If I can find my concealer, I can start. Okay, there's my concealer. So what's new? Nothing's new under the sun. We are concealing my dark spots and then priming my eyelid for eyeshadow. And this is LA Girl. The color is Warm Caramel. Guys, I was sharing my frustration with this lady I work with, Unewo, about this pimple over here. And I'm like, Newo, I'm putting pimple patches, because I mean she gave me pimple patches. I'm like, Newo, I'm putting pimple patches on this pimple and it's not going away, it's not going down. And Newo's like to me, baby girl, that's not a normal pimple. I'm laughing already and I haven't told you the story. She's like, baby girl, that's not a normal pimple. That's like someone likes you pimple. That's someone is having sleepless nights thinking about you pimple. And then I was like, oh. I cannot believe that at my big age I'm still low-key excited about the idea of someone having a crush on me. Like, how juvenile. Anyway, yeah, so that's the story of this pimple. Tell me if you believe in those kind of pimples, because I thought those pimples were supposed to be like around your lips, the someone likes you pimple. But yeah, Neil was like, it's not that kind of pimple, girly. Anyway, so I primed with my concealer. This is a very rush and get out of the house makeup look. So you can do it quick, but I'm talking through it, so it's not going to be that quick. We then move on to the eyes, and the next thing you're going to need is this. What color would I say this is? It's like a copper. Yeah, is a copper shimmery color, and you're going to take a almost flat but fluffy-ish makeup brush. You see how it's almost flat, and you're not going to use too much product, so just dab on the palette. And what you will do is you will almost line your eyelid with this color. You're not going to try not to go above your crease. If you have a crease like me, you're basically just lining the lid. Then after doing that, we are going to go in with our mascara. This is the Princess Lashes mascara from Essence. And then we are going to base. This is a fuss-free makeup look, so I'm not even going to really focus much on my under eye. I'm going to just go all over with this Fit Me foundation, and my shade is 350. Then the next thing I will do is get a smaller, even smaller, flatter eye makeup brush and dip it into that same copper color. Just the tip, that's what he said. And you are going to go and do the corner of your under eye. Under eye has been done, and the next thing I'm going to do is take this brown matte palette and I'm just going to do some contouring. The contouring is just to blend my forehead with my hairline. Whoop, that's a bit much. That is a bit much. Okay. So just blending your hairline and your forehead, so there isn't a stark difference. So I will use the side of the brush with product as well as the clean side, just so that I get the excess pigmentation off. There we go. Oh my word. And yeah, we're starting to look cute, starting to look very cute. The next thing is taking a blush. I'm going to use this cream blush from Avon. It is the color, what's the color? Plum Pop, if you're interested. And then I'm going to take a brush. There's no powder on my face yet, just it was just foundation. So don't put cream blush on top of powder, because it will move around your makeup and it's not gonna look good. So don't mix powders. Don't put, like, if I had put in powder, I would put a setting spray, then the cream blush. Otherwise, this blush would move the powder around. Am I making sense? Some on the bridge of my nose. Okay, that's done. So we've done concealer, we did foundation, then we did this copper eyeshadow, just a slither above and below, and then we've done mascara, and now we've done blush. The next thing is, all my brushes are broken. I'm living through a pandemic. All my brushes are broken. I am living through a, let me show you the other one. There's another one that's broken. I am living through a pandemic. All my brushes are broken. 1, 2, 3. I need to take these to work and use the glue gun and just put them back together. I'll put them aside. Anyway, those are the steps we have taken so far. The next thing that we are going to do is my lips. I'm going to use a lip gloss. This is this one from the streets of Johannesburg. So you're going to put the lip gloss on. Okay, after the lip gloss, I'm going to go in with this mauve matte lipstick from Avon. It's called Also Mauve. That's the shade, and it looks like this. Just that much is enough. I will then use this lip tint from Foschini All Women. It is a very light pink, and the shade is in the pink. And I will get some product out like so. Just a little bit. Dab it in the center, and I don't want to move it around my entire lip. I actually want it to just be in the center. And that's how it looks. The last thing we will do now is set my entire face using the Signature Cosmetics setting powder. Just using my broken big fluffy brush. Get the product all over the brush. And there's no baking with this makeup look. We are just generally setting the face, not baking. A thin layer of powder all over. You will look a bit ashy until you put on setting spray. And there you have it. That is my quick and easy everyday makeup look. It is so quick and it will be on the whole day, no fuss, and super pretty. And that is it, my quick and easy everyday makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you'll be trying out this makeup look on yourself. I love you loads, and I will see you on the next video.